Close.
I'm like, don't push me in. Where are you going?
Well, hey everybody, there are birds all over the place. How are y'all doing today? Awesome. Well, welcome to the Dallas Zoo and to our show Dinosaur, sponsored this year by Kimberly Clark. My name is Shelby, and I'm sure you guys have noticed some dinosaurs starting to pop up throughout the zoo. Well, believe it or not, starting April 5th, we are having a brand new exhibit called Dinos at the Dallas Zoo. So come on back and see the whole exhibit in all of its dino glory. But until then, I can tell you guys a little bit about birds and dinosaurs and how closely related they are. It's a pretty cool thing. Hold on one second, guys. Excuse me, ma'am. Hi. Hey, hi. I'm kind of in the middle of something. Do you think you can
middle
maybe
of something? What
come
do you
come?
do?
Do you want to take a look behind you?
Whoa! That's a lot of people.
Yeah, this is my 1 o'clock bird show. So
A
you're
bird show!
Yeah.
That's so
I
exciting.
know.
Will there be birds?
There have already been some birds.
Oh my
and there
gosh.
are so many more. But can
Okay.
you tell me, like, who are you and why are you
hi.
on my stage?
Hi. I'm Professor Geller.
Uh-huh.
I'm a paleontologist, which is a scientist that studies fossils. I found this dinosaur skeleton, and I've been working on it all week. I'm trying to get it ready for Dinos at the Dallas Zoo.
Ooh.
It's only missing like 3 bones, and I know they're around here somewhere.
Okay, you know what? I'm really excited. You guys are real paleontologists.
What's
This
your
is
name?
Awesome. I'm Shelby.
Oh, hi, Shelby.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You know what? How about this?
Okay.
How about you stick around, help me out with my bird show, and we will help you find the rest of your dinosaur bones.
I like it. Let's do that.
Yeah,
Let's do
all
that.
right, well, let's go ahead and get started. Come
Okay.
on with me. We're going to head down these stairs. Now, for this first routine, we are going to need the help of a competitive volunteer.
Ooh, Shelby, I'm really competitive.
You know what? How about one of the kids? We let one of them do
A
it.
kid?
Yeah.
Cool. Can I pick them?
Yeah, go for it.
This is gonna be so exciting. Okay, let's find a competitive kiddo. How about right here in the black dress?
Yeah, all right. Come on over here. Come sit right here for me. Now tell me, what is your name? Adam. Everyone say
Adam.
hi, Adam. Hi, Adam. You're going to help us learn about the beaks of birds, okay? Some birds have short, fat beaks for crushing things like seeds and nuts.
Yep.
Some have long, skinny beaks for digging for
For
things like...
dinosaur bones.
Well, they're probably digging for food, but that's not a half bad idea. Maybe one of Professor Geller's dinosaur bones is in this tank here.
I bet it
So
is.
you're gonna help look for it, and you're gonna dig through this tank to see if you can find that bone, okay? But it's a bird show, so you're not gonna be digging with your hands.
Okay.
You're gonna be digging with your beak. Yeah, you ready just to stick your face on in there and dig around? Yeah.
I'm
he's
so
pumped.
sorry.
I'm just kidding. You don't have to stick your face in there, okay? You don't have a beak that's built for digging through dirt, okay? But I have one for you. Have you ever used an ibis beak before? No. Okay, how about chopsticks, tweezers? Yeah, something like this. Yeah, so this is going to be his beak, all right? So you're going to use that to dig around in there and see if you can find that bone. But you're not going to get started just yet. You're actually going to be racing somebody. Me. No, you're not going to be racing Professor Geller. In fact, you're not going to be racing another human. You're actually going to be racing one of my birds. Pretty cool, right? Now, before we meet Wayne, I need one more thing from you guys. I need some cheerleaders. So, you guys over here, you're all going to be on Team Human cheering on Adam. So, can I get a whoop whoop? You got a good cheer squad. Okay, let's hear from you guys. You are going to be on Team Bird cheering on Wayne. Can I get a tweet tweet? Tweet tweet! Awesome. Okay, we got some good competition here, so be sure to cheer on your teammates through the race. Now, the last thing we need is Wayne. Now, he is a Hadada ibis, and the easiest way to get him down here is by making the same loud, shrieking call where they get their name from. So it sounds something like this. Hadada! Thank you, guys. It's a lot less embarrassing if we all do it together. So, on the count of 3, we're all going to yell Hadada together. 1, 2, 3. Listen up, Adam. Do you hear
I
him?
hear something.
I hear him. There he is. Wayne, our Hadada Ibis, making his way. Great job, buddy.
He doesn't
All
look
right,
good
Adam,
intimidating.
are you ready? Take your place. Wayne's ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. Tick, tick, tick. Come on. Let's hear it for
He
him.
ran it so
Wayne, I know you wanted to find that bone so bad, buddy. Why don't you just head on back? We've got a consolation prize for you. Now, Adam, you did an excellent job. I'll take that from you. Who thinks he deserves a prize? Me too. Now, I need one more thing from you guys. I need a drum roll. So, drum roll, please. Today, you're going to receive a wristband. Now, this wristband is from the Wild Earth Conservation Fund. Our zoo is dedicated to creating a better world for animals, and that's just a little token of our appreciation. So thank you very much. Y'all give him one more round of applause. Sit down back to your seat. So great, Adam.
Wow.
Well done.
That was awesome. I'm so glad we found a bone
I know,
already.
right? That's all
No,
you need, right?
no,
We're done.
I'm gonna need a few more.
Oh, you need more?
Yeah.
Will you mind helping me move
gonna
this
help you
table?
with this?
Yes.
Sit in your way.
Well, Professor, you need more bones. Okay, well, this is kind of embarrassing. I didn't realize you could find dinosaur bones here in Texas. I mean, I know Texas is like large, but it's not like dinosaur large, right?
I
That's
mean,
the thing.
Texas is like the biggest place ever. But, okay, yeah, dinosaurs roam the entire Earth. Believe it or not, though, over 20 species of dinosaur have been discovered right here in Giant, Texas.
What the way?
Do you know how I know that? Science.
Oh, well,
That's how I know.
Science is cool.
It's my favorite.
And in fact, like I mentioned,
You'll
in
learn.
April 5th, starting right here, we'll have our dinos at the Dow Zoo. So come back,
Oh, so excited.
learn about them all, science and everything.
So excited.
But until then, maybe you could pique our interest and tell us about any other large prehistoric animals that roam the
yeah,
planet.
okay. Insects were very large.
insects.
Imagine this with me, okay?
Okay, I'm
A
imagining.
2-foot-long scorpion.
Whoa.
Or an 8-foot-long centipede.
Holy cow.
Even dragonflies were 2 feet long.
No
Do you
way.
know how I know that? Science.
Oh, that's
The same.
The same answer.
It's the
Okay.
same.
Well, you know what? I have a bird who would love to
Okay.
live in that land of giant insects. Her name is Falco, and she is a trumpeter hornbill. Now, these agile flyers are really good at catching things flying through the air. So I'm going to give you that grape.
Yeah.
We're going to pretend that it's a big, fat, juicy dragonfly.
It's a dragonfly.
Well, let's see
Okay.
what happens when she spots that dragonfly flying through the air. She jumps off that branch.
Wow.
And catches it mid-flight.
That was so cool.
Fun.
That was so cool. I love that so much.
Pretty cool,
Do
right?
you think somebody in your audience can try?
I bet they would love to. Any brave volunteers
Can I pick
out
one?
there?
Can I pick a
go
volunteer?
ahead.
Can I pick a volunteer?
I got it,
Okay,
your
let's
job
see.
and not
Let's see,
mine.
let's see. How about right here in the blue shirt? Come on up here.
Yeah, good choice. Come on up here. All right, tell me, what is your name? Landon? Yeah, everyone say hi, Landon.
Hi, Landon.
All right, Landon, now can you fly? I'm gonna throw this grape up in the air and you're gonna fly up and catch it. I'm just kidding, you don't have to. All right, I'm gonna give you this grape. Cover it up so Falco doesn't see it. When I say 1, 2, 3, go, I want you to give it a nice gentle underhand toss straight up above you. Think you can do that? All right, you stay there. Let's see if my bird, there she is. She's ready. All right, Falco, meet Landon. Landon, meet Falco. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Great toss! That was unbelievable. All right, close encounters of the bird kind. That's what we're all about here. Now, who thinks Landon did an excellent job? Me too. Who thinks he deserves the prize? That's right. You're also going to receive one of our wristbands. There you go. You can head on back to your seat. Y'all give him one more round of applause. Great job, Landon. Pretty cool, right?
That was so cool. So cool.
You just got a friend? You just abandoning me? Okay, so we learned about giant bugs.
Yeah.
We learned about giant dinosaurs.
Yep.
And that's it. That's all that lived in the
What?
Jurassic.
No, everything was huge back then.
Everything?
I told you everything.
Well, what else?
Okay, all right. Rodents were really large too.
Oh.
You know they could weigh up to 1,000 pounds.
1,000
1,000 pounds.
Wait,
They were
hold
called
on.
the
I gotta.
Phobie-ramus, and they
That's
were
huge.
closely related to guinea pigs. And do you guys know how I know that? Science. That's right.
Science, man, science is really cool. You know what? I don't have anything that weighs 1,000 pounds. I'm not sure that my stage would handle that.
Yeah, okay.
But I do have something that's kind of big. All right.
Okay.
We are going to be joined by this next animal, but we're going to have some helping hands here. I've got your friend here. What's her name? Chloe. Chloe. Everyone say hi, Chloe.
Hi, Chloe.
All right, Chloe, you're going to help us feed this next animal. So just kind of hang it right there. Perfect. We're about to be joined by Fred, and Fred is a capybara. Now, capybara are the largest largest species of rodent in the world today.
Wow.
There he is. Fred here weighs over 130 pounds, but these guys can get anywhere up to 150 pounds. Well done.
So
Now,
great.
Chloe, you did such a great job. I'm going to give you this wristband. I'm going to toss it at Professor Geller, and then she's going to give it to you.
Oh, man,
come on,
I should have
Professor.
studied other things than science.
You guys
Thank you
give
so
Chloe
much.
a round of applause. She's so great. Now, like I said, Fred here, these guys can get up to 150 pounds. They're going to get to this large size by eating almost non-stop. They're herbivores, so that means they're munching on fruits and veggies, reeds and weeds along the waterways of Central and South America. In fact, in the native Brazilian language, capybara means one who eats slender leaves. Pretty cool, right?
I like that.
Now, by eating all these slender leaves, they are providing everyone in the area access to fresh water. How cool. Everybody, including their predators. I know what you guys are thinking. This rodent of unusual size has predators. They sure do. They have to worry about things like anaconda,
Oh, no.
jaguar,
No.
maybe even a caiman, which is closely related to the alligator, one of your modern day
Yeah,
dinosaurs.
that's scary.
But they do have some tricks up their sleeves. The first of which is they live in large family groups where one of those members is kind of on lookout, if you would. So if they saw that predator coming in the area, they'd actually give a loud bark to alert their family and friends.
Dogs? They
Yeah.
bark like dogs?
Now, if you think that one of these guys is impressive, imagine seeing 20 to 30 of them all living along
Wow.
those waterways in that large family group. Now, let's say that they see that predator coming, and maybe it's just them by themselves, you know, on a day of just hanging out. They might stand perfectly still, and they might look like a rock or a boulder, and that predator would just walk on by. But if they do get spotted, they've got one more trick up their sleeve, and that's something known as partially webbed feet. What do you think you're good at doing if you have webbed feet? Swimming, that's right. So if he gets spotted, he's gonna take to the waterways, lightning quick, the fast and the furious, blink and you'll miss it, right into the waterways where he can hold his breath for up to 5 minutes and keep his eyes open the entire time. Now you might notice his eyes, ears, and nose, they're all right on top of his head. That means if he needs to peek out and see if that predator's still in the area, he doesn't have to show very much of his body at all. Well, looks like Fred is long gone back into the Amazon.
Wow.
That was Fred, our capybara.
Show me, that was so cool.
Was that big enough for you?
That was so cool.
1,000 pounds, but pretty
I
close,
mean, it's
right?
pretty big.
Okay, I feel like I'm letting you down. We've only found one bone so far.
I've been distracted by these animals. It's
Maybe
cool,
you
but I
guys
still have to build
Okay,
it.
why don't you guys all look underneath your seats, maybe? Or does anyone have a... I'm just kidding. There are no bones there. I checked earlier. No, I'm just... Ah, wait. Is that one of them?
That is one of them.
Oh my gosh. Wayne! This is Wayne. You guys remember him?
Wow.
Did you find that bone backstage? I knew that you wanted to find Professor Geller a bone. You did such an excellent job. This is obviously a bone that goes... It connects to the...
Leave the paleontology
Okay,
to me.
I'll just let you do that.
You handle the
Wayne,
animals.
You can head on out of here. I'm just going to hand this to you.
Thank you
I don't
so much.
break
Ooh,
it.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good
All
one.
right, so we got big bugs. We learned about big rodents.
Yep.
Okay, how about this? How about big bird?
Ooh, is it yellow?
No, not the big bird. No,
No.
this is just a big
A
bird.
big bird. Okay,
Yeah,
not the
now,
big bird.
This big bird that's going to be joining us, she does have a little bit of yellow on her, but her name is Tyrone, and she's an East African crown crane. She'll be showing up from right here behind me, making her way over here on stage. Now, here she comes. Great job. Now you can see where they get that name crown crane. It's from that tuft of golden feathers right there on top of their head, making them look an awful lot like royalty. Now tell me, Professor, does this remind you of any of your dinosaurs?
You know, she does actually remind me of a type of pteranodon called a Quetzalcoatlus. They had a wingspan of 30 feet, and do you guys know how I know that? Science! That's right.
Well, Tyrone has a wingspan of 6 feet, so not quite as impressive as your 30 feet, but could your Quetzalcoatlus...
Quetzalcoatlus.
Yeah, that one, could it fly?
You know, not really sure. Okay, so their wings were huge, but their bodies were even bigger. And it's a mystery as to whether or not they could actually fly.
Well, Tyrone just clearly showed off. She is an excellent flyer. Now these guys are able to take off and fly because of their unique bone structure. So flighted birds have something known as hollow bones, but it's not necessarily hollow like a straw. It's more like Swiss cheese or a honeycomb structure. So it allows them to be both incredibly strong, but also lightweight, so that they can take off and fly. Now Tyrone does have one more flight down here to stage, and if you didn't notice, that landing gear tends to hang a little low. So heads up, here she comes. Well done, excellent job, Tyrone. Now, Tyrone is going to be making her way out of here slowly but surely, but if you guys can't get enough of our African animals, don't you worry. There's an entire section of the zoo dedicated to them. You guys can head on over to the wilds of Africa where you can see things like lions, cheetahs, zebras, giraffes, and so much more.
Are there elephants?
There are elephants. We
I
got it
love
all
them.
over there.
Oh my gosh, they're so big, like dinosaurs.
Yep, pretty great.
Okay, so I'm gonna go after the show. We're all just gonna go make a trip of it. It's gonna
Okay,
be
the
great.
whole group's gonna go. Okay, that
Okay,
sounds like a
but
great plan.
first, let's build a dinosaur. Let's meet some animals.
Okay,
Who's next?
Okay, this is a really exciting one.
Okay.
This is a raptor.
A
You guys are really
velociraptor?
gonna-
Did you say? Well, she said velociraptor.
No,
Why are you guys
no.
not running? This is my
Everybody just
nightmare.
calm down.
Single
She's-
file.
No,
Get
everybody
your full.
No, it's not a velociraptor. I said raptor, which
You guys heard velociraptor, right?
no, that you're lying.
I heard
didn't
a
say
yes. Someone
velociraptor.
said
I said
yes.
raptor, ladies and gentlemen.
Fine.
It's another word for a bird of prey.
Okay.
So not a velociraptor, but she is going to be flying in very quickly. So I do need everyone to take a seat and remain seated. All right. Now this bird is a bird who hunts at nighttime. Can you guys think of any birds who hunt at nighttime? Who? Yeah, you guys are right. We're going to be doing by an owl. Her name is Gertrude. She'll be showing up from right here. And like I said, making her way throughout the area. Now, Gertrude is a Eurasian eagle owl. Here she comes. Let's be sure to keep our hands to ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. All the things that you could potentially touch are very sharp. So let's keep your hands to yourself.
She has some very sharp talents. I saw that when she was flying in.
That's exactly right. You don't want to be caught on the wrong side of those. Now, like I said, this is the Eurasian eagle owl. My personal favorite adaptation that these guys have is their nearly silent flight. So the edges of their feathers are serrated, so as they fly through the air, they pass through almost silently. So listen up. You guys didn't even know she was behind you, did you? Like a ninja. I wasn't kidding about it. Yeah, pretty cool. So was your velociraptor like a ninja?
I mean, some people might think so. I did see a movie one time,
Uh-huh.
and the velociraptors were pretty
They
terrifying.
were pretty terrifying, sneaking up on people.
Yeah.
Well, I heard you mention her talons. Velociraptors, I assume, have pretty cool tools.
Very
don't they?
long talons, and they would use them to hold on to their prey and keep them from getting away.
Ooh, okay, so that's very similar to our owl here. She'd grab hold of that prey with those sharp talons and then use that hook sharp turned down beak to actually
Wow.
tear her prey into smaller bite-sized pieces. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, that's super awesome.
Gertrude here, I don't know if you guys realize, you can't find Gertrude in your very own backyard, unless, of course, you live in the forests of Europe and Asia. But we do have lots of owls here in Texas. We have the barn owl, the barred owl, the great horned owl, and so much more.
Wow.
I know, pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Now, you guys can actually attract owls and other predators into your own backyard. Now, a lot of people like to do that because of what the owls eat.
Yeah.
What did velociraptors eat?
They like reptiles, amphibians, sometimes other dinosaurs.
Okay, well, Gertrude's not going to be eating dinosaurs because, as we've established, they're extinct.
I know, you keep reminding me.
I'm really sorry, but they are going to be eating things that we typically think of as pests.
Pests.
I know.
What's a pest?
I know. You guys are going to get people get really squirrely when I mention things like it's not really things that people like to have around their area. Yeah. I'm sorry. Am I missing something?
They're saying something. I don't know.
I hear them. Hat? You're talking about Professor Geller's hat, right?
It's cool. I got an hat store for paleontologists. They said behind you.
Oh, you guys have been here before. Okay, so this is embarrassing. It's a little bit of a secret. We used to have a rope problem
Yeah.
here, but it's behind us now. Like
Thank
you guys
goodness.
said. It is a thing of the past, so we don't have to worry about that. But okay.
I could have eaten my dinosaur. I wouldn't have to
No,
go.
it is. You're right. In the past, like the dinosaurs behind us.
Stop it.
Now, okay, so we've met some birds flying through the air, like Tyrone and our friends, our Gertrude.
Yeah.
We've met some animals swimming through the water. How about we combine the two? How about we meet a bird who is perfectly designed for flying through the water.
Birds don't fly through the
Oh,
water.
these do. Draw your attention underneath this bridge. We just enjoyed Flying Gatsby and Mario, two of our African black-footed penguins.
Wow.
I know, pretty cute, right? But
Oh my gosh.
unfortunately, these guys are struggling in the wild. I know, they're adorable, but listen up, y'all. In the last 10 years, we have lost 90% of their population due to overfishing of their food source and pollution.
Did you say 90%?
That is nearly all of their
That is
percent.
nearly all of them.
That's exactly right.
What do we do to help them?
Don't you worry, there are some easy ways to help them out. All you have to do is go to the grocery store. Next time you guys are there, be sure to buy sustainably harvested seafood. And then when you take that seafood home, you can take it home in one of those canvas reusable bags as opposed to those one-time use plastic bags. You see?